Chapter 7 Triangles. Example 9. D is a point on side BC of triangle ABC such that AD is equal to AC. Show that AB is greater than AD. So, given a triangle ABC in which D is a point on side BC such that AD is equal to AC. To prove AB is greater than AD. Now look the figure. In figure we have given AD is equal to AC. We have to prove AB is greater than AD. Now AD is equal to AC. Therefore this angle will be equal to this angle. Now for triangle ABD, angle ADC is an exterior angle. So naturally it is greater than angle B. So we will use this to prove the question. In triangle DAC, we have AD is equal to AC. Therefore, angle ADC is equal to angle ACD. Angles opposite to equal sides of triangle are equal. Equation, this is equation 1. Now, angle ADC is an exterior angle for triangle ABD. ADC is an exterior angle for triangle ABD. Therefore, angle ADC is greater than angle ABD. Or now listen, AD is equal to AC. So angle ADC is equal to ACD. So in place of ADC, we will write angle ACD, or angle ACD is greater than angle ABD, or ACD, in place of ACD we can write ACB, or in place of ABD we will write ABC. Angle ACB is greater than angle ABD, or angle ACB is greater than angle ABC. So side opposite to larger angle is longer. Therefore, AB is greater than AC. But AD is equal to AC. Therefore, AB is greater than AD. Hence, proved. Example 4. In triangle ABC, the bisector AD of angle A is perpendicular to side BC. Show that AB is equal to AC and triangle ABC is isosceles. So, given in triangle ABC, AD is perpendicular on BC. AD bisects angle A. To prove AB is equal to AC. Proof. In triangle ABD and ACD, we have AD bisects angle A, therefore angle BAD is equal to CAD. AD is equal to AD common side, angle ADB is equal to ADC, each 90 degree. Therefore by angle, side angle, the two triangles are congruent. Then by CPCT, AB is equal to AC. In triangle ABD and ACD, angle BAD is equal to angle CAD. AD bisects angle A. AD is equal to AD common side. Angle ADB is equal to angle ADC, each 90 degree. Therefore by therefore by angle side angle congruence rule, triangle ABD is congruent to triangle ACD. Then by CPCT, AB is equal to AC. CPCT. This implies triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle.